Hi there, I am Bella. Welcome to Simply English. Let's learn and have fun.
Hi there! In this lesson, we will learn the present simple be verb. We use these words to describe people, things, and situations in the present time. Let's see how we use each one correctly. We use am with I. We use is with she, he, or it. We use are with they, we, or you. We use am only with the subject I. It tells about yourself, who you are, or what you're doing right now. So let's see some examples in the next page.
Bella. I am 7 years old. I am from America. I am happy. I am at the beach.
We use is when he, she, or one person. Let's see the example in the next page. He is Troy. He is 8 years old. He is in the classroom. Troy is happy.
She is Miss Cassie. She is Canadian. She is my teacher, and she is beautiful.
The dog is taking a bath. You use are when the subject is you, we, or they. Let's see some examples in the next page.
Are you ready to find some shells?
Yes, Grandpa.
You are beautiful, Bella, like your grandma.
They are boating. They are happy.
We are playing at the beach.
We are in the castle. They are in the forest. They are in the classroom. They are in the classroom. They are in the classroom. They are in the classroom.
Want to see the full adventure? Follow our YouTube channel for the complete video and more fun learning stories. Just search for Simply English on YouTube. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and join the adventure.